In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save an email from Gmail as a PDF directly to your Google Drive. This is a convenient way to keep an organized digital record of your important emails without clogging up your inbox. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll want to start by opening your internet browser and navigating to Gmail. Head over to mail.google.com and log into your account. Make sure you're logged into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple emails. Once you're in, scan your inbox to find the specific email you wish to save. It might be an important correspondence, a receipt for a purchase, or any document you need to have handy and organized in your Google Drive. Upon locating the email, go ahead and click on it to open it up. Viewing the full email will ensure that everything you need is included when you save it later on. Once the email is open, look for the print icon, usually found at the top right of the email window. Click on this icon to open up the print dialog box. In this dialog box, you'll see a section labeled Destination. By default, this is often set to your printer. However, we want to change this option to save the document as a PDF in your Google Drive. If you don't see Google Drive listed as a destination right away, click on the See More or More Settings option. This is where you might find Google Cloud Print or Save to Google Drive. Select Save to Google Drive as your destination. This redirects the output from your printer to a PDF file stored directly in your cloud storage. Once you've set Google Drive as the destination, click the Save button. At this point, your computer will work its magic, converting the email into a PDF document. This new PDF version of your email is now safely tucked away in your Google Drive. While the email is now saved in your Drive, you might want to take a moment to get organized. Head over to Google Drive by opening a new tab and navigating to drive.google.com. Find the PDF document you just saved, and from here you can drag and drop it into any folder you like. This action keeps your files neat and accessible, ensuring you can find the document with ease whenever you need it. And there you have it. A simple, effective method to declutter your inbox while keeping vital information at your fingertips, securely stored in your Google Drive. This is a fantastic way to ensure important emails are both accessible and organized, reinforcing your digital efficiency. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide made the process clear and straightforward.